So I have a little tickle in my throat, and I just got these. It says miel bonbon. Now this is not candy. This is Vicks. So let me show you. Ah, it is scratchy. Do you hear? It is scratchy. You hear the scratch? But look at how cute they are. Oh yeah. Okay, they're gonna be cute. Hopefully, letting me have a much better throat situation. Oh, they taste so good. I do have some other ones, but these ones get you some, because this one, it's like the Vicks kind of, yes, but the miel, the honey, soothe. Have a good night, y'all. Don't forget to follow. Bye.